Okay, I forgot to bring today's paper. Today's paper Hindu. Did anybody read Hindu? Do you have it, Gautam? Give me now. Did anybody read Hindu today? This is your data. See, we're talking about our Jal Jeevan mission. Okay, about one more program, Swachh Gramodaya. Okay, our what is that? Swachh Bharat Abhiyan do Gramin developments. See, these data becomes your answers, like solid answer agate. What is the development in Karnataka with respect to both the missions? Okay, see, if you go back and read, nan Swachh Bharat mission alli ide barsirodu. What are the components anta? Okay, they have given the statistics with respect to components. Understood. So here they are talking about the development of healthcare in Karnataka. See, not like India Today Healthgiri Award for effective COVID-19 management. You can write it somewhere. Okay. So these statistics become little important for us. Understood? Yes. Papers odbeku. Papers odila andre you don't understand. What is Abraham Accords? Abraham Accords 2020. Kelidira. It's also called as Western Quad. Alva, we have quad here. It's also called as Western Quad. So, simple age KPSC one the prashna kodtane. Okay, Abraham Accords is related to what? And KPSC is all about this. Okay, because we are expecting, notifications, all those, things around the corner. In 2-3 months, if you have to attempt exams, it becomes very important. All those information is in yesterday's and today's editorial. Today's editorial is very, very good. Like, they have given one article which talks about a lot of international dimensions about this article. Okay, so how the international what do I say, bilateral and multilateral relations are moving. Whose GDP is it? This is a very good article again. Okay, when GDP increased, we were happy in 1980s, 1990s and all. But then RBI used to publish one data. Every increase, decade in the 10 years, every 10 years, when we move ahead, how much jobs we are creating on top. So sufficiently for every percentage of increase in the GDP, we should be giving 28 lakhs of employment, new employment in that decade. Okay, and that fell to 2 lakhs, that fell to some 95,000. So it's later, like 2011-12 in the RBI data published, stop anta. Okay, so why we are not actually seeing the real impact when the GDP is growing? Everybody says, Alva, even our economists keep telling that, like, India is growing, 3 trillion touch madidivi, all those beautiful, economic side is shown. But you and I, as common people, are unable to feel it. Why? Qualitative jobs illa nammalli, formal sector alli quality jobs which are going to pay you well is not there. What do we do about it? That is the question that you as an administration should start thinking. Yes. So unless you read papers, you will not be able to relate to what is all this. Okay. So it is like, an information repository of information that they are giving you. Okay. And also little specifics about Karnataka also was there today. See, all the CBI inquiries, all those are like, none of our interest. Coffee Acts. 80 years old act we are still operating under, Coffee Act. Because why coffee is important for us? Because we are one of the major producers of coffee. Alva. So we should have very good understanding about what is this Coffee Act and what is bad about it. Right? If you go to interview, this becomes your first question. If you especially come from the belt of coffee growing areas. Okay. Yeah. See these things. Environment related. Direct agi illinda prashna keltare. One is albatross and the other one is your Malabar pine hornbill. Okay. So they ask like, South Indian varieties, something. So environment or anything when current affairs is becoming difficult is primarily because we are not studying what is given in the papers. It's all reverse engineering process alli work agutte. Okay. Your statics are not coming in the paper nowadays. So they go from the standard, current affairs to back to statics. Ivaga hornbills, okay. Hornbill related another program or which state is known for having highest hornbill population. So allinda prashne barutte. Understood. At least if you know something that is given in the papers, then you might have some understanding about what could be the questions that can be thrown at you.